Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Green Tea Conditioner, Matcha Green Tea, and Ginseng, Mandarin Splash, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Detangles and boosts shine. Fast Track Infusion NSF, contains organic ingredients. Oily hair. True to nature since 1967. Contains 70% organic ingredients. Paraben-Free, GMO-Free, Phthalate-Free, Cruelty-Free. Certified organic by Kai. Vegan. Contents biodegradable. Fast-acting conditioner infuses vital nutrients and rinses clean to leave hair shiny and full. A natural alternative to dandruff products for oily scalp. Heavenly Mandarin Splash scent. Features. Benefits. Organic green tea, Ginseng Extract Protect hair and tone scalp. Organic Nettle Extract High in silica, very nourishing to hair and scalp. Suggested use. Shake well before using. To use, after shampooing, apply to damp hair and work through, concentrating on the ends. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse. Other ingredients. Aloe barbadensis leaf juice, aqua, cetyl alcohol, from coconut, brassicylizoleucinate acylate, brassica alcohol, glyceryl caprolate, gluconolactone, glycerin, avena sativa, oat, kernel flour, caprylic, capric triglyceride, simongigenensis, jojoba, seed oil, Calendula officinalis flour, arginine, Camellia sinensis leaf powder, green tea, Panax ginseng root extract, Prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, Hemimelis virginiana, witch hazel, water, Chamomilla recutita, Matricaria, flour, chamomile, glycerin, Citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, alcohol denat. 38b, lavender, Tenestamenuum, Moroccan blue chamomile, oil, Lavandula angustifolia, lavender, flower, Mentha piperita, peppermint, leaf, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, fragrance. Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf, Orchidalica, nettle, leaf, citrus limon, lemon, betel oil, avena sativa, oat, straw extract, citrus medicalyminum, lemon, peel extract, sodium benzoate. Organic. Natural isolate blend sourced from essential oils. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.